Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find SUI wallet address on HTX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your HTX application. Once you have logged into your HTX account, you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner, and from here you just simply select deposit. From this list of currencies, you just simply search for SUI in the search bar and select this coin. Now you just simply choose this SUI network, click on this, and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on this, and here you can see your SUI wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find SUI wallet address on HTX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.